Hey there, welcome back to my channel, it's me the Mind Injector, and I've got a question for you. Are you keeping an eye on the big tech giants like Nvidia and Microsoft but wondering if there are other hidden gems in the AI space ready to take off? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we're not just talking about the big players and following the usual suspects. We're diving deep into the AI market to uncover 3 sleeper stocks that could be on the verge of skyrocketing. These are companies quietly making moves in the background with the potential to offer massive returns for those who spot them early. Stick around because these tech stocks might be your ticket to the next big thing. First up, let's talk about AMD. While Nvidia often steals the spotlight when it comes to AI chips, AMD has been quietly building a formidable presence in this space. You might know AMD as the world's second largest producer of x86 CPUs and GPUs. But there's so much more to their story, especially when it comes to AI. AMD's latest Instinct MI300 chips are designed to give Nvidia a run for its money. Built on advanced 5nm and 6nm technology, these chips offer comparable performance to Nvidia's H100 GPUs but at a fraction of the cost. This lower price point is a game changer, especially for data centers that are feeling the pinch from Nvidia's higher prices and limited supply. Now, here's where it gets interesting. AMD's data center chip sales have been on a tear. In the first quarter of 2024, they surged by 80%, and in the second quarter, they soared even higher, jumping 115%. This rapid growth means that AMD's data center business is now nearly half of its total revenue, up from just a quarter last year. That's a huge shift, and it's setting the stage for some serious gains in the years to come. But what makes AMD even more compelling is its strategy to diversify its offerings. Beyond just CPUs and GPUs, AMD is expanding into other high-performance computing markets, which could include AI accelerators tailored for specific industries like healthcare, finance, and autonomous vehicles. This kind of diversification could significantly bolster AMD's revenue streams and reduce its reliance on any single market segment. Analysts are bullish on AMD's future, predicting a compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, of 20% in revenue from 2023 to 2026, with earnings per share expected to rise at an impressive 105% CAGR. Sure, the stock isn't cheap, trading at 42 times its forward earnings, but with the data center business expanding rapidly, AMD could be on the cusp of a major breakout. Next, we move to SentinelOne, a company that's taking cybersecurity to the next level with AI. SentinelOne's mission is ambitious: to replace human analysts with AI-powered algorithms on its Singularity platform. This approach isn't just futuristic, it's a game changer for the cybersecurity industry. SentinelOne's growth has been impressive, with revenues more than doubling in 2022 and 2023. However, like many tech companies, it faced headwinds in 2024, with growth slowing to 47%. This deceleration, combined with a lack of profitability, scared off some investors, especially as interest rates rose. As a result, the stock has taken a beating, now trading 34% below its IPO price and 70% off its all-time high. But here's the thing, SentinelOne is now trading at a much more attractive valuation, less than 9 times this year's sales. That's a bargain considering the company's potential. Analysts expect SentinelOne's revenue to grow at a 27% CAGR over the next few years as it continues to carve out its niche in the AI-driven cybersecurity market. And let's not forget about the potential for partnerships and acquisitions. In a sector as dynamic as cybersecurity, companies that can innovate rapidly and scale efficiently are often prime targets for larger firms looking to enhance their AI capabilities. SentinelOne's AI-driven approach makes it an attractive prospect not just for investors, but also for potential acquirers. Imagine the boost in market confidence if a tech giant like Microsoft or Amazon decided to partner with or acquire SentinelOne. That's the kind of upside we're talking about here. Additionally, with competitors like CrowdStrike stumbling, SentinelOne is in a prime position to capitalize on the shifting landscape. The cybersecurity industry is at a critical juncture where AI-driven solutions are becoming not just a competitive advantage, but a necessity, and SentinelOne is right at the forefront of this shift. Finally, let's talk about Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. You might be surprised to see TSMC on this list, especially considering it's often overshadowed by giants like Nvidia. But here's the thing, TSMC plays a critical role in the AI revolution, and its position could be even stronger than you think. TSMC is the world's largest contract chip manufacturer, and it's the backbone behind many of the tech products we use every day. From Apple's iPhones to advanced AI hardware, TSMC is there, quietly powering the devices and technologies that define our digital world. What's fascinating about TSMC is its push into 2nm chip technology. These next-gen chips promise the same performance as the current 3nm chips, but with 25% to 30% less power consumption. That's a huge leap forward and one that could drive the next wave of AI hardware. But it's not just about the technology. TSMC's diverse customer base, from smartphone giants like Apple to AI powerhouses like Nvidia, means that it's well positioned to benefit no matter who comes out on top in the AI race. And with the continued demand for advanced chips, TSMC's future looks bright. Before we get into the exciting details, let me introduce you to Moomoo Financial. If you open a brokerage account with Moomoo and deposit at least $1 using the link in the description, you'll get a chance to draw a free stock worth up to $2,000. But that's not all. If you make a net deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive not just one, but 5 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. And if you're really serious about investing, you can deposit $1,000 or more and get a whopping 15 free stocks, bringing your potential earnings to a staggering $30,000. So sign up now using the link in the description and get those free stocks. Now let's get back to the video. Let's also talk about TSMC's global strategy. While the company is headquartered in Taiwan, it's making significant investments in expanding its manufacturing capabilities globally. TSMC's plans to build new facilities in the United States and Japan are strategic moves to mitigate geopolitical risks and ensure a steady supply of advanced chips. This global expansion could make TSMC even more indispensable to the global tech ecosystem, further solidifying its role as a key player in the AI revolution. Moreover, TSMC's leadership in the semiconductor industry isn't just about volume, it's about cutting-edge innovation. The company is investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the curve, ensuring that its technology continues to lead the market. This commitment to innovation is what will keep TSMC relevant not just in the next few years, but for decades to come. So, there you have it. 3 under-the-radar stocks that are poised to make waves in the AI space. While Nvidia and Microsoft might grab the headlines, it's companies like AMD, SentinelOne, and TSMC that could offer the most exciting opportunities for savvy investors. Remember, the key to spotting these opportunities is looking beyond the obvious, understanding the trends, and being willing to invest in the potential of these quiet giants. So, whether you're looking for the next big thing in AI hardware, cybersecurity, or chip manufacturing, these are the stocks to watch. As always, do your own research, stay informed, and never stop learning. The world of AI and technology is constantly evolving, and those who stay ahead of the curve will be the ones who reap the rewards. This is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.